The Nazca Lines are one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world. These giant drawings are spread across the desert of southern Peru. They are so massive that many of them can only be fully seen from the sky. From the ground, most of the shapes look like random lines and paths, but from above, they reveal huge images of animals, birds, plants, and strange symbols. The lines were created by the ancient Nazca culture more than 1,500 years ago. The Nazca people made them by removing the dark stones from the desert surface. This exposed the lighter-colored earth underneath. Using this simple method, they created enormous designs across the desert floor. Some of the most famous figures include a monkey with a spiral tail. There was also a giant spider stretched across the desert. One of the most famous drawings is a hummingbird with perfectly shaped wings. Another huge figure shows a condor with an enormous wingspan. There is also a whale, a tree, and a mysterious human-like figure. This strange human figure is often called the astronaut because it looks like it is waving from a hillside. Some of the straight lines are several miles long. What makes them even more mysterious is that they stay incredibly straight without changing direction. Many people wonder how ancient humans created such accurate shapes without being able to see them from above. Archaeologists believe the Nazca people used ropes, wooden stakes, and careful measurements. Experiments have shown that it is possible to create giant shapes on the ground without flying. Even today, the biggest mystery is why the lines were created. Some experts think they were used for religious ceremonies. The Nazca people may have believed their gods lived in the sky. Because of this, they may have created giant symbols that the gods could see from above. Other researchers think the lines were connected to astronomy. Some lines seem to point toward the sunrise during important times of the year. Others may line up with stars and constellations. There is also a theory that the Nazca Lines were connected to water. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth. Water was extremely important for survival. Some experts think the lines may have marked underground water sources or sacred pathways used in rain rituals. The desert climate helped preserve the geoglyphs for thousands of years. There is almost no rain, very little wind, and few changes in the landscape. Because of this, the lines have remained visible for centuries. The Nazca Lines became famous after airplanes started flying over the area in the 1920s. Pilots were shocked when they looked down and saw giant figures covering the desert floor. Today, the lines are protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Even now, they continue to confuse scientists and amaze visitors from around the world. Some people believe they were connected to aliens or ancient spacecraft. However, there is no scientific evidence for these theories. The real truth may be even more impressive. Ancient humans, using only simple tools and careful planning, created one of the greatest mysteries in history. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed learning about the mystery of the Nazca Lines. Subscribe to the channel for more mysterious, shocking, and fascinating stories from around the world.